Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you different colors for Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Yes guys, the first color is cloud green or cloud mint color. It is pretty decent color guys. So if we talk about Samsung Galaxy S20, the battery is 4500 milliampere, so it will give one full day of battery life guys. So the next color that I want to show you is called cloud lavender color. It is like a pinkish color which is pretty different color if we compare to previous Samsung phones guys. And if we talk about the phone internal storage is 128 GB with 6 GB of RAM guys. So the next color that I want to show you is red color. I have to say it looks really good. As you guys can see, it looks really amazing guys. If we talk about the camera, the back camera, there are three cameras. One is 12 megapixel, then 8 megapixel, and then 12 megapixel. And the front camera, the selfie camera, is 32 megapixel guys, which is really amazing. So guys, let's move to the fourth color. The fourth color is cloud orange color. It is the most coolest color guys, as you guys can see. So the phone support HDR10 plus, so watching Netflix on this phone will be a great experience guys. If we talk about the back of the phone is made up of plastic and it has a slight plain texture to it. It supports fast wireless charging. So the other color that I want to show you is called cloud white color, which looks really decent guys, as you can see here. So if we talk about the phone is IP68 water and dust resistant. Samsung is giving 120 Hz flat super AMOLED display for the first time guys, and it also has a reverse wireless charging option as well guys. So let's move to the next color, and the last color is cloud blue, or it's also called cloud navy color. It is the most traditional Samsung color, as you guys see this color before in other Samsung phone. Okay, this is the by far the most colorful series of Samsung Galaxy ever made. To put it simple, the S20 Fan Edition is the most lively, colorful but less premium version of Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus guys. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.